How to activate IDBI Mobile Banking App. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate the IDBI Mobile Banking application. Now, assuming that you fully registered or you already completed the registration process of IDBI Mobile Banking. Now, once you fully downloaded the application, of course, you're going to have to pull it up, which is going to be this one right here. Now, what you want to need to choose from here is to choose on Activate App. Now, once you select that, you will be given an instructions for you to be able to fully or to completely activate this. You need to have, and of course, a working mobile number so that IDBI Banking will provide you an OTP or a one-time password for you to verify that you're the rightful owner of that phone number that you're using. And then your telecom operator might levy you charges for sending SMS as per your billing plan. Now, for dual SIM phones, please keep the main phone SIM to be the one registered with your IDBI bank. And do press back button toggle application during activation. Tap and activate, and then input your customer ID. And that's basically it. That's how you activate IDBI mobile banking app.